Alright, what's going on, everyone? Chris from Reel Therapy here. We are going to take a little road trip. Try something that we can't do around here. I'm going to try carp fishing. We're going to head down to the Brookline Reservoir. It's about an hour and a half away. I wish we could, really target these things. I've tried here and there, but we don't have them here on Cape. So, watched some YouTube videos, figured out how to make the bait. So, for a chum, little balls here, I'm going to use gluten-free breadcrumbs. I'm going to use, they said use the breadcrumbs and Jello packets. Well, I don't have Jello, so I'm using Crystal Light. Should get the job done. And then just some whole corn. Let's see here. Alright, so we're just gonna cut these open here. See, we got strawberry flavor here. I think they'd work fine. Use some sweet. Pretty potent. Get a few more in here. We got 7 single serve packs. There we go. Okay. Add some corn and some water here and mix them all together. See what we get. Oof, that's potent. Smells righteous. Oh yeah, it's coming together nicely. Oh yeah. Look at that. Balls up perfectly. I'm just gonna put this on my weight. Well, that's perfect. And there it is. That's simple. There's the bait. I'm gonna bring a bunch of corn in there to put on the hooks. Make some hair rigs. Alright, there it is. The beginning of the carp adventure. Okay, alright, now we got everything made up, we're ready to go. Once again, this stuff is setting up beautifully right now. It's getting a little drier, but it's even more stickier. I mean, look at this, it all almost comes out in one big clump. I mean, it's gonna hold on perfectly. Yeah, it's like molded together. Feels like that old foam, like stuff like Nickelodeon had. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a little bit of a drive. So, pack up, make sure we got everything that we can need, and we'll make this trip worth it. Might even stay a little into the night because they do have a lot of catfish out there, bullheads specifically. So yeah, this is the load. Plenty of corn, plenty of hooks, weights. And that's it. We're going to get the adventure on the road, and hopefully I can land my first ever carp, which would be very exciting. Good end of the summer fishing, and I'll take it from there. All right, my friends. We have officially made it down for carp fishing. The whole plan changed. I wasn't able to go to the Brookline Reservoir. I was reading it online. It seemed like it needed some permit to go. I don't know. So I decided to take a trip down to the Blackstone River. Took a little bit longer. It took me 2 hours to get here. Found this beautiful little spot. Supposed to be some good bullheads in here, bass, carp, the whole nine. So gonna get some lines out and see what we can do. Okay, so I mean, I don't remember here. I don't exactly have the exact rig you're supposed to be using for this. So I mean, I'm just gonna do the best I can. Oops. Okay. Just trying to mush this around the weights. All right, so I guess that's the chum ball, right? Throw a little corn. I'm gonna go right onto the hook. Okay. And there it is. Now we just gotta hope it works. Give this all right. It's the big moment. Tune in if we get something. All right, full update. Okay, little rain, but nothing crazy. When I drove 2 hours out here, I mean, it'd have to be a tornado to get me out of here. The pack bait is tough. I can't really get it to stay on that well. It's actually coming off a lot faster. So I'm just considering if you can even hit the water before it comes off, it's good, because at least it'll just still chum around where my bait is. So so we're just gonna see. Hopefully I don't go through too much of it. Otherwise I'm gonna have to switch over to chumming just with corn, which I don't want to do. I only brought a couple cans. I don't know, so let's keep on trying though. Hopefully hook into one soon. All right, so we moved down the bank about 50 yards. I was coming down and I noticed that it was really shallow where I was fishing, probably like 4 or 5 feet. I noticed that it drops to probably like 8 to 10 over here. So I don't know, I just like the depth a little bit better. I mean, I feel like, you know, with the holes right there, the fish would hang out there better. Snapped off a couple rigs already. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret not bringing more hooks. But I don't know, see if the spot blesses us with something good. I got a fucking bite. Good bite. Oh, come on. There you get something. Oh, shit. It's a big ass turtle. Sorry, dude. Hey, you know what? Ow. I didn't get skunked. Yeah, I think we're going to be looking at a part 2 of this video because we got here, that's clock, 2 more hours. 2 more hours of seeing if we can do this. Running low on bait. Could be coming down to the final moments. Alright, afternoon update. There's nothing going on. Haven't seen much of anything yet. Still just looking all the way down the riversides, trying to see if there's any signs of life, but nothing too crazy. Tried baiting every possible way we can do it. A lot of people always say too, if you're going for carp, you don't get any. Usually a ton of catfish, but I don't. And I got the one turtle. I consider I can catch those basically next to my yard. At home kills me. But I don't know, definitely out here for a reason. I mean, need patience for this kind of game. You know, fishing isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. It's what we do. So out here taking, you know, putting my time in, earning the fish when I get it, so it's worth it every time. So I'm gonna switch up the baits again and keep trying. That's all we can do. Hey, check it out, we made it. Charles River. Okay, we made it down Charles River, part 2. Nice, right under the bridge. A little bit of a drop here to the water, so if I do get a carp, I don't exactly know I'm going to bring it up, but I'll worry about that when the time comes. Get some lines in the water. Alright, we got a bite. Holy shit. I fucking got one. Oh, what do we got? Oh, the perch. I'll tell you. I got more skills catching perch. Oop. Oop. Don't spine me, bro. Don't spine me. There we go. I'm not even completely sure what this thing is. Like a white perch, maybe? The carp rod's going off. The carp rod. Oh my god, I think I got one. Holy shit. This is gonna be my first one. Man, they fight like champions. Oh wow. I can see why this is so exciting. This is it, the big moment, everyone. All the road trips, the hours put in, testing different gear. Oh no. I fucking broke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, we just got off. He got off the hook. I thought it snapped. Oh man. Oh wow, look at that. Hope you can see that. Bent the hook. Literally bent the hook straight. That is insane. Gonna have to loosen up the drag. Alright, that's great news. I'm gonna get re-rigged up and get out there. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to just all corn. I can't, you know. I'm so pumped that I hooked into that carp. I mean, that thing fought unbelievably. It felt like a striped bass. Never experienced that before. I'm hooked immediately. I can see myself doing this for a long time. Past this video, it's been a good learning experience. So I'm just gonna throw out another rod, see if we can just get some more bites and not bend hooks, and hopefully land one. All right, let's get to it. We might have something here. Oh. Alright. Definitely not nearly as big as the first. Oh shit, there he goes. Alright. We're gonna try and land this one. Oh, I see him! I see him! Oh wow, look at him. First carp. See if we can land him. Just kind of not horsing him in like the other one. Yep. Oh man, look at him. Oh. And there it is, my friends. I've officially got my first carp. Oh. Oh yeah, man. Look at that bad boy. got our first carp. That was amazing. I mean, well worth all the time and effort. Definitely would suggest getting out and feeling. I mean, that was a small one. I mean, that was not big to any standard, but that was absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm trying to get a bigger one, see what we can do. Alright, so we got a second one. I accidentally had it on fast forward. I have no idea. I was on like speed mode, so didn't really get great footage of it, but I'll still throw it in there. Everything seems to be going pretty good. So we got a couple carp on board. We got that big white catfish. That was definitely a plus. I wasn't expecting that on the coin. So we got about an hour left. So let's see what we can pull together. And but so far it's a great trip. Definitely worth every minute of being there. So we land a couple more and hey, what's going on, my friends? So yeah, that concludes the video. It was a great trip. I definitely recommend carp fishing to anyone that hasn't tried it and wanted to see what it's like. It is amazing. Definitely worth every minute of all the effort. I mean, so like I said, I had the most luck at the Charles River. I mean, it's pretty big. You can go anywhere in there, they said. So I just picked a random spot and it worked out pretty good. But definitely get out there, tight lines, my friends, and I'll see you next time. Definitely not what we were expecting. That, my friends, is a white catfish. That's a good size. It's probably about a 3-pounder.
fucking awesome.